Okay, we are going to study about the inequalities, and before starting the inequalities, you should know that this sign, for example, x is less than a, we can say. Here we can say x is greater than a. We can also say x is less than and equal to a, or x is greater than and equals to a. So these signs are termed as inequalities. Another thing, for the inequality, it is important that if less than or greater than sign is written, then if they ask you to represent it in interval notation, so you must know that the interval notations will be denoted by these brackets in case of less than or greater than sign. If less than equal to or greater than equal to sign is written, then the interval notation we will use it as the big bracket. Now these are the most important thing we should know about it. Now for example, x is less than a, and you have to represent it in the interval notation form. So remember that this is your a, less than, it means it should be on the left hand side. Now if they ask you to write it in the number line, which I'm making, so you will use the hollow point, and here it is negative infinity. So you will start from negative infinity and comma a, and here negative infinity always with the negative, or positive infinity always with the small brackets. A will be a small bracket. Now similarly, if you have to find out x is greater than a, you will make a number line. Now greater means all the numbers which are greater than a should be on the right hand side. Greater side will be shown by the hollow point. On this side there is infinity, and in order to write the domain you will write a comma infinity. Infinity by the small bracket and a also with the small bracket. Now if it is written x is less than and equal to a, so less than again on this side, and equal, it means you have to show it with the shaded point. And for the shaded point you have to use the big bracket. So on this side there is a here, but infinity on this side is always be written with the small bracket. So similarly, x is greater than and equal to a, you will make it a number, make a number line. Here it is a, greater than means right hand side, and since it is equal sign is written, so you will use the shaded point. And now you will write the a comma infinity, because on this side there is an infinity. A because of the equal sign, the big bracket, and infinity always the small bracket. Now let's check how can we solve the inequalities. For example, if it is written x plus 2 greater than 5. Now you have to solve for the x. So of course you will bring the 2 here, plus comes on the second side, so it will be negative 2. So x is greater than 5 minus 2, that is 3. If they ask you to find a number line, so you will write the 3. Greater than means this side, here infinity, and only greater sign, so you will use the hollow point. If they ask you to use the number line. If they ask you to represent this equation by the interval notation, you will write 3 comma infinity, small brackets on both sides. Now if the question comes x minus 8 less than 5 over 2, for example. So bring the 8 on the other side. X is less than 5 over 2. Minus comes on the other side. It will gives you plus 8. And then just make it 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus 5. It will be 21 divided by 2. Now make it 21 divided by 2 on this side. Less than means you will have all the numbers on this side. Now if here negative less than, so you will use the hollow point, and that's it. Minus infinity comma 21 divided by 2. You will use this brackets. Now the next thing, if they give you a little bit complicated question, for example x minus 3 less than and equals to 5 or 8x minus 3 plus 6x, for example, this is the question. So always here on the right hand side there are x and number, and on the left hand side also the x and the number. So bring all the x on one side and bring all the numbers on other side. So 6x, bring it on the left side, so it will gives you negative 6x. So 8x minus 6x will gives you 2x. Minus 3, bring on the other side, so you will get positive 3, that is less than equals to 8. Divide both sides by 2 and you will get x less than equals to 4. Now less than means left hand side and less than equal means you have to make the shaded point. So you will write negative infinity, small bracket, and 4 with the big bracket. Now sometimes the questions come in a way like, for example, 5x minus 3 less than, and here, and for example here at this side it will be written as 2, and here for example 8. So how can we solve these double inequalities? So for example here, and let's suppose here 3 also, right? So here first of all you will bring this 3 over here, and same this 3 you will bring on the other side. Now this is minus 3, so on this side you will write the plus 3, and on the other side also you will write plus 3. Now this is 2, there is no sign, it means always before the sign there is a plus 2. So you will write here now 5 by 3x. Now 3 already have been taken to the other sides. So 8 plus 3, 11, and on this side 3 plus 2 is 5. Now 3 is dividing here and we have to find out the x. So what we will do, we will divide it, or either divide by 5 over 3, or the simple is if you have 5 over 3x, you multiply them by the opposite reciprocal of 5 over 3, that means 3 over 5. So that will be easier for you. So I think this is the best way to solve such kind of the questions. So what do you do? On this side, in order to remove 5 over 3, you multiply by 3 over 5. Same thing you will do on the left hand side, and same thing you write 3 over 5 on the right hand side. So this will be cancelled. 5 with the 5, 3 with the 3. Now this 5 cancel with this 5, and that's it. So here left only x. Now on this side you will have the 3, and on the right side 11 times 3, 33 divided by 5. So this is your answer. Now the thing is that how will you solve such kind of questions in the interval notation? So in the interval notation, since x in the middle, so you will write 3, the first number, comma, and this one is 33 over 5. Now if the inequalities, both this inequality is less than, so you will use the smaller small bracket, and this inequality also less than, so you will use this sign. For example, if in the question the inequality has less than and greater to, like this, if this is this thing, then on this side you will use the big bracket. So let's take one more example on the same pattern.